Ba-da-bum-bum-bum. So there was some advice that came from the last vlog, and I know I've got like tons of these everywhere. But anyway, this came from one of the things I posted, and Daniel said you can use the col or colony at the end of your mesh's name in Blender, and it will import them to Collision. So if that's the case, I looked up the documentation, and I found this other thing that looked neat, which is concave. I hope I got this right. We'll create a convex polyshape instead of a concave polyshape. Unlike triangle meshes, which can be concave, a complex shape can only be accurately represent a shape that doesn't have any concave angles. You know, does this have concave angles? Indy, does this? Are these?
I don't know.
Okay,
we'll
see if this works instead. We'll put col. I think it might. We're gonna put GLB. Is it GLB? I hope it's GLB. I'll put that right there. Let's see what we include. I don't know if there's any materials in this anymore. But geometry, apply modifiers. If there are any, yes. I don't know about tangents. Okay, export, and let's export it right into the game. I guess let's go into hero. I wanna be a hero. We can find hero. Where the heck is hero? No, it went too far. Godot. Hero. Here we go. Okay, all right. Then gotta find game. There's a game. Okay, and then new file. Let's make a new file. New folder. We'll call it level assets. Level assets. Level assets. All right, hold on. LEVL assets. Okay, and then press X. Oh, open. Come on. Oh, yes. Open up. And export GTLF. Okay, and let's see what happens. Okay, and then let me go in here and go to level assets. And I have it as col with an X. Why does it have an X on it? Anyway. Wow. And there it is. I don't know if that worked the way. It has a mesh apparently? No, it didn't. It didn't create a mesh. Okay. Well, I don't know. It has 2 dashes on it. I tried it as col. Wait. Why did it put 2 dashes?
That's weird.
That is weird, right? Export as GTLF. No, it didn't do it. It didn't do it. So it has a col G. Oh, it didn't. Okay, so I'll do is I'll ask a question. I don't know how devloggy this is, but let me see your screenshot. File. Because you know what, I mean, this is one of the reasons why you post stuff on the internet. Then people actually give you comments, and then you can ask questions. So
yeah, it's the best way to learn.
It's gonna sound funny. I'll put, yeah, seriously, like this. I only reply. Like this. Like this. I applied it. I exported the GLTF. I should have been GLB. The GLB with col at the end of the file name before the dot GTL. Is it GTLF? I always mess this up. What is it? How do you call it again? It's file export GLFT. Oh, actually, Joe, it's the GLB. I did GLB. Okay, binary. Go to the .glb. But it didn't work. Okay, but it didn't work. Okay, and we'll see what happens. All right, so that's there. If not, I know how to auto triangulate. But yeah, I don't know. This is I gotta figure this out. So the problem here is there's one issue too. Like if I click this, like maybe we don't have this parts like fully rigged like this. Like you saw in my video, right? The last one I did is that we just have it as like separate parts. Like, you know what I mean? We have different collisions.
Yeah.
The reason why is if I go in here into mesh and I do triangulate this, like a single convex siblings, I don't know, like if I do trimest it, like look at that, right? I mean, it's accurate, but is the player going to really get that close into the mesh? Does that kind of make sense? So that's kind of been the only issue with this. So that's why I'm not 100% doing it this way. And I wonder what other options are. Hold on, so you can Control Z. So I could mesh it. Create. Is that like? Oh, that's not bad. Ooh, look at that.
Yeah.
That's a lot better. I like that. I like that a lot. Because you know what I mean? Like you can just go in there and yeah, you know what so like look at this, right? It's gonna stop the player from going all the way in, but maybe that's how far the player should go, if anything. So this is funny. This is the video. We're gonna looking at different ways to mesh.
Try exporting the one of the bases. See what happens.
Oh, this is kind of cool. What, export one of the bases? What do you mean?
One of the bases I sent you.
Oh, that can be. Oh yeah, sure. Hold on. Let me check something really quick. Can I shrink this? I want to see if I. Oh yeah. Look at this. I can actually shrink it. Oh, that's cool.
Oh,
Does that make? Do you see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
I can actually shrink it down. So even so, if it's too big, I can actually I can shrink the shapes. Oh, I made 2 different shapes. So awesome. This is really cool just to check these out. Hold on. And then I want to shrink it. Can I shrink it? Now this one I can't select. Why can't? Oh, weird. Oh, it's weird. It's just its orientation's in a different spot. So I can shrink it, just has to be in a different spot. That's pretty cool. I wish I could. The only problem, I don't like this. This kind of sucks. You see this extra spike?
Yeah.
So maybe if like, yeah, that's not cool. So you can also draw the collision shapes, I believe. So maybe I shrink it down like that and then I move it. I'm not 100% happy with that, but I'm not hating it. I could add another like collision shape here, maybe if I really want to keep it out.
The player ain't gonna see it.
Yeah, and again, you know what the issue is? It's because like if you have the normal tri-mesh factor, which is beautiful, and it has all the triangle shape in there, the processing on it is not something that is very helpful right now. Hold on. Oh, I can't save this. I'll save as, hold on, save as level assets. It's like a scene though. It's an actual scene. I guess I'll just save it here in scenes. I'm fine with it. Well, yeah, new folder. In game. I don't know, something like that. I like to keep folders. It's not the best way to do it, but you know, it sucks when you have to remove things in Godot. Then it's more work because you have to rename it and anything connected. It's a pain. All right, so we got that. Let's try it for the heck of it. Let's open up. Which one? You tell me which one. Open. I'll wait for it to open. Oh, well, that didn't help. I was like trying to go blend and wreckage. Why? Oh, okay, because I'm in level assets. Let me go into assets. Is it assets? Level assets right here. Okay, which one? What, sci-fi base building 2, sci-fi base building asset, sci-fi wall? Or...
Sci-fi base.
Which one?
2.
Okay, let's do sci-fi base 2. Sweet. Okay, and then we got this. So the trick didn't work. Let's export really quick. And export. Export. Where is it? Exports glTF. And same deal. We'll put it here. No, not level assets. We'll go here. We're going to put it right into the game, hero game. Go into scenes, unpackaged materials, level assets. Go right here. Go sci-fi building. Blink. All right, and then I hopefully it gets all the textures. File. Let's open that one. Oh wait, why didn't it not do? Did I save? Maybe I didn't save it. I'll try it again. File, export. Gonna glTF. All right. Oh, according to this, it did it. Hold on. Let's see. What? Maybe I should do it one more time. Include what? Oh, maybe I should include everything. I did not do a selected object.
Yeah.
I'm an idiot. Hold on. Okay, let's go file here. Got this right here. There you go. But we have gizmos. Do I need the gizmos or no? What are the gizmos? Look,
no.
are the gizmos open doors? Do those open doors?
No, those are the people that are showing the scaling.
Oh, it's for the scale reference. Okay, so forget the scale reference. We're going here, select the objects then. Export. Let's go into glTF. Do the same thing. We'll just do the same thing. Or should I try to put coal? I don't know where I should put. Maybe I should put coal here. No, I don't. Let's do that. Well, let's not do it. Okay. Include. We've got selected objects. Selected objects. Yes. Custom. Yes. Cameras. No. Transform. Yes. Geometry. Apply modifiers if there's any. No tangents. Where are the textures? Materials are there. Great. So everything should pass. Export this right here. Let's see what happens. I go into Godot, and there it is. All right. We got a big X there. Sci-fi building. Open anyway. Boom. Wow, that's beautiful. Wait, are these the materials though? Oh, it's okay. So there's a glass material that's not attached. So what I can do here really quick is I can go here. I'll go to in-game. I'll go into, wow, why is it not here?
Now this building is scaled to real time, to real life.
Oh, that's cool. I'm trying to find the,
so it's 20,
we're missing geometry though.
It's 20 feet high.
Now, so what's weird about this is that I have color here, right? In the materials. Is there?
Yeah, it's Blender.
Yeah, there's color. So what it is I put in selected materials. They're not here though. I see the glass materials here.
It's built-in Blender materials. It's not Blender. It's not texture that I actually put on.
Oh, I see. So like one thing. So like the bow, right?
Yeah.
But I got the bow in. I textured that in Blender, and then I exported that out.
Oh.
So yeah, like I did it by the. But so here's the thing. Blender textures are not automatic, but I did simple color textures. So my question right here is this just a simple color orange?
Yes.
Then it should have been exported is what I'm saying. It should export as the glTF. Like yeah, like this right here should have exported as part of it. I don't know why it didn't. Glass might be harder. Actually, what's ironic? It looks like glass did export, but it's just literally like the glass. Like it's like this the default color itself. So I mean, this is where you can actually play with like transparent, unshaded. That turns it white. Use opacity shader. There you go.
Oh, nice.
Nothing. I like that shadow. We could go transparent maybe. Where's transparent? I can't find transparent. When we just basically have to play with each one of these things. Is it reflection?
Yeah, down.
Refraction. I don't have reflection though.
Oh,
where do you see reflection?
Oh, I thought it said
enable. It's not doing anything there. So again, this is the problem we had before. Here's the UV. We'd have to. It's just a matter of importing them in and out. But what I said like before, like this material should work. Is it I think it's associated already. I'm not sure.
Yeah, but I thought we had problems
I think it is.
with getting materials in. That was the issue.
Yeah, we did, but I've been learning some tricks. So like right here, watch this. I can turn the color. Woo, like that.
There you go.
So what's happened here is it's missing one color. It's missing your orange texture. No big deal. I know how to get that in. Oh, that looks pretty good. That's a good start. These doors open, but I don't think the animations for the doors.
There's no animation.
Oh yeah, notice this. Well, no. Like when we do the doors here, we would have to well, because you had it rigged in Blender. Yeah, it was there. So for the door itself, I would say that since they're so simple, I would just have to import the doors themselves as separate files, separate geometry, and then I just throw animation player there,
Okay.
and then we can have it be a sensor, and then we can put like a thing here, so when the player comes up here, it actually opens up. All right, so yeah, that is another blog in the can. Let's make a ton of these. Don't know how to get the glass in here, so I will. I'll ask. I guess I'll put it in the Blender community, and I'm gonna call it. Is there anything you want to add to this? Because I got to run to work.
No. Just
All right, another one, Kitty. That's
awesome to
Indy.
see that in
He
there.
is back from a pirate vacation, a historical pirate vacation, and it's glad to have him back. All right, insert catchy phrase here. I'm hopefully make more of these, so YouTube will promote my videos for free as they put ads. YouTube putting ads, not me.
get monetized.
Stop that chair. Oh yeah,